world is a very scary place.
And you mustn't do this, that, or the other thing.
And you must not go here nor there.
And you should not talk to him or her, and definitely not them over there. You must beware, children. Do you understand?